Hello everyone, my name is Rajendra and I belong to Muradabad city, and I have finally been selected as an assistant accountant in Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited. And the credit of this success goes to especially Sahani classes, my parents as well as my hardworking nature. So when the notification for this recruitment process was released in the month of September 2021, I started searching YouTube channel for some quality content, especially for computer O-level classes. I searched a lot on the YouTube channel and I found hardly 3 to 4 YouTube channels which was providing some content for this recruitment process. I watched everyone and I found Sahani classes the best because he was providing some really good content, and I decided to enroll in his batch for this recruitment process. In my opinion, his content was really very good, and whatever he provided us was very beneficial for the preparation of this exam. Few things I would like to mention about Sahani sir is that he is very hardworking, cooperative and workaholic person. He is always ready to help his students whenever he is in need. If you have any queries, you can ask him and your every query will be entertained in a very good manner. As he is a very calm and very sensible person. So in the end, I have to say that if anyone is going to prepare for this recruitment process in future, and then he can enroll for his class and at least give it a try. So in the end, I would like to thank Sahani classes for being the part of my success. Thank you, Sahani sir.